Welcome to Naturally.co. Today we are going to make a simple, easy tuna melt that everyone will love. Here I just have tuna that was in a package in water. Okay, so it's going to start like your normal tuna melt. We're going to add some mayonnaise to it. Make sure it's nice and moist. Okay, so we have enough mayo to make it nice, moist, and covered. So now we're gonna add some dill pickles to this. I just took some out of the out of the fridge, cut them up, dice them up. I don't have normal relish, so I just use my pickles. Okay, then we're gonna add, this is American cheese, just in little chunks. We're gonna add to the mix as well. All over there, add a little more so it's even. Perfect. Salt and pepper, normally what you would put on your normal melts. Okay, mix this up well. Okay, so I already have my oven preheated, so that's going and it's already done. My mix is well mixed. I use burger buns. This is what I grew up with, so it's a little strange, but I know, but it's one thing I love when I was a kid. So you're gonna put it on your normal bun, then you're gonna take some foil and you're gonna wrap it in foil. Do this again. Same thing. Put it in foil and we're ready. So we got all of our melts ready to go into the oven. I'm just going to paste this directly on the rack in the center of the oven and let them bake.